Number 1. Ditch the sugar. Avoid that bowl of ice cream which has turned into a midnight snack. While we may be trying to squeeze in all our tasks, don't let it become an unhealthy habit and instead eat healthy snacks throughout the day. This practice will prevent you from bloating up due to your late-night food cravings when you're burning the midnight oil. If you can't sleep because of your stomach growling, don't reach for the usual late-night snack. Try snacking on anti-bloating foods instead. Foods like papaya and cucumber are great choices to help keep you full without causing bloating in the morning. With these right snacks at night, there is a higher chance that you will wake up with that flatter belly overnight. Number 2. Take a shower before bed. If you usually shower in the morning, consider switching things up and adding a warm shower to your evening ritual. Doing so may help activate your body's thermostat, which allows you to fall asleep easier with better sleep that reduces cortisol, stress hormone. Without enough sleep, cortisol levels are not regulated properly and can cause disruptions in your body's natural rhythm. According to a study from the University of Rochester Medical Center, URMC, this may lead you to feel fatigued throughout the day because it is harder for your brain to function under these circumstances. Researchers have found that one night without sleeping causes higher evening cortisol levels, which results in an increased difficulty falling asleep at bedtime. Higher levels of cortisol can prompt the body to store more fat. However, there is an effective way that you could be able to sleep better and thus get rid of excess belly weight in no time. Number 3. Sip on ginger or chamomile tea. Drinking a cup of herbal tea is an excellent way to wind down before bedtime. It can reduce stress and promote healthy digestion, which leads to better sleep quality, the key ingredient for making your stomach look flatter overnight. Number 4. Eat dinner earlier. If you don't usually sit down to eat dinner until 9 p.m., it's time to make some changes. Eating earlier will give your body plenty of time to digest before bedtime, so that the last thing you want is a large meal making love with sleep, bloated and feeling exhausted when waking up in morning after not getting good quality restorative sleep as well. Eating dinner a few hours before bed is the takeaway from this study. Number 5. Add a probiotic at night. If you wake up feeling bloated, try taking your daily probiotic supplement at night. If we want to keep our gut healthy and avoid bloating in the morning, it's important that all of those good bacteria stay happy overnight. Probiotics can help balance out the levels of bacterial growth in our intestines, so that fat-promoting bugs don't have a chance to grow there during sleep. So why not take your probiotic right before bedtime? You might find yourself waking up with less belly bloat than usual tomorrow morning. Number 6. Mix up a magic elixir. Add sliced citrus fruits to a pitcher of water every morning. Sip your way through at least 8 glasses before bedtime, and you'll be doing yourself a world of good. Drinking lemon, orange, or grapefruit in the AM helps detoxify our bodies because they contain D-limonene, which activates liver enzymes that flush toxins out. Number 7. Vegan protein smoothie. Vegan protein drinks can help you get the same benefits as whey protein without causing bloat. Most commercial proteins are filled with unpronounceable chemicals that upset gut health, which leads to inflammation and bloating. The solution is vegan protein because it provides all of the fat-burning, hunger-squelching and muscle-building effects, but doesn't cause any unnecessary discomfort for your stomach or intestines due to high levels of whey in most products on store shelves today. Number 8. Go wild with salmon. If you're looking to fight fat, salmon is a great way to go. The cold water fish has plenty of healthy omega-3 fatty acids that boost your metabolism and fights inflammation, 1,253 milligrams worth. But the farmed variety might not be as good for you because it packs more inflammatory than healthful omega-6 at 1,900 milligrams. Number 9. Crunch the right nuts. Nuts are high in fat, which may seem counterproductive if you're trying to lose it, but eating a moderate portion of monounsaturated fat, like the kind found in Blue Diamond's 100-calorie packs of whole almonds, can ward off the munchies and keep you full. The saving grace here is the calorie-controlled serving, which stops you from overindulging. Number 10. Eat fruit. Nature's candy, dried fruit can be a great source of nutrients and fiber, but it can also be a source of gas for those who suffer from fructose malabsorption, which occurs when the body has difficulty absorbing the natural sugar. Dried fruits are particularly high in fructose. Fresh stone fruits, citrus fruits, and berries are safer options for those with sensitivity. Bonus, they also make our list of best fruit for weight loss.